Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing DaVinci Resolve on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type DaVinci Resolve into the search bar, then hit enter. Look for the result that says DaVinci Resolve 19 Black Magic Design and click on it to visit the official site. On the landing page, you'll see a free download button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Choose your OS to proceed. Next, you'll need to fill out a short form with your credentials like name, email, and other necessary details. After completing the form, click on Register and Download below. Once that's done, you'll be redirected to the download page. Click on the Download Zip button to start downloading the software. After the zip file has downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder and open the Setup folder. The extraction process will begin, so be patient while all the files are unpacked. Once the files are extracted, click on the Install option to start the installation. This might take some time, so stay patient and follow the steps shown in the video. Follow all the steps carefully as demonstrated in the video to ensure everything is set up correctly. When the installation is complete, look for the DaVinci Resolve shortcut on your desktop. Click on it to launch the application. Now, you'll need to continue the application setup. Follow the on-screen instructions as shown in the video to complete this process. During the setup, you'll be asked to select your resolution, HD, UHD, etc., based on your system's capability. Make your choice and hit continue. Next, you'll need to select the file path where DaVinci Resolve will store its projects. Set the path and click Continue. Lastly, DaVinci Resolve allows you to customize your workspace layout. Choose the layout that suits your preference and hit Continue. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed DaVinci Resolve on your PC. Now you're ready to start editing like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.